What's up everyone, it's Danielle at Great Lakes Aquarium, back for another Phenology Monday. And today we are talking about another really obvious change in the season, which is bird migration. Bird migration happens on a lot of those shifting seasons. So here in the fall time, we see a lot of birds moving through, especially here in Duluth. We have a major raptor migration, as well as a lot of those songbirds coming around as well. Now, migration is when one animal moves to a different location over time. So here up in the Northland, we see a change in temperature and sunlight, but most importantly, the availability of food sources and nesting locations. So in the fall, when all of the leaves are falling and the snow starts to come and everything like that, it's harder to find that food and that coverage that a lot of birds need in order to survive. Now, not all birds migrate. Some birds are able to live up here in our harsh Minnesota winters, and they can find the food that they need. But other birds, like waterfowl and ducks, they might have to move because a lot of their food is found in the water. And when those temperatures drop pretty low and the ice starts to form over, it's pretty hard to find the food that you need, especially from the plants that also grow in those locations. Now, what's really cool about migration is scientists don't actually really know how the birds know where they're going. It's not like they have a GPS like we have on our phones or in our car, but instead they think, at least the scientists think, that birds might be using stars, the Earth's magnetic force, and possibly even smell in order to figure out where they're going to their wintering locations. And some of these birds travel great different distances from here in Minnesota even down towards Mexico and South America. It's pretty amazing. I'm here in the duck pond at Great Lakes Aquarium, and we have some of our waterfowl friends. These animals won't be migrating this year, but they are kind of migrating closer to me because I have a little snack for them. So I have a little bit of romaine lettuce, a favorite, and coming up we have some of the mallards. So we have Cooper and Fern and Dinah definitely mowing down on some yummy greens. And with that, that's all the time we have today for Phenology Monday. Thanks for joining in. We'll be back next Monday with another great video, but also make sure to tune in on Wednesday for Wild Lesson Wednesdays. And we're going to talk a little bit more about all the amazing things that happen here at Great Lakes Aquarium. Thanks again, and I'll see you later.